Herzlich willkommen. Im Rahmen der GDC 2023 gab es jetzt natürlich auch den State of Unreal Stream und da der 7 Stunden 30 Minuten geht, habe ich jetzt hier ein paar schöne Ausschnitte für euch vorbereitet. Viel Spaß!
We're now working to bring all this together into a unified offering. Let's take a look. Later this year, we'll be merging our content offerings into a new unified creator marketplace called FAB. Built on the strong foundation of Sketchfab.com, we're going to drop the sketch and go all in on FAB. FAB will be an open marketplace serving the entire digital content creation industry. That means we're going to offer assets for all game engines, all digital content creation tools, and metaverse-inspired open worlds. So whether you're a studio making a blockbuster game or a movie, or you're a player building your first island in Fortnite, our goal is to bring you everything you need to build your world in one place. We'll have 3D models, materials, sound, plugins, animations, visual effects, and more. FAB will be the new home of Quixel megascans, metahumans, and other incredible epic content designed to push the limits of what's possible. We'll also bring you the high-quality assets and environment packs from leading art studios, AAA game developers, media companies, and even musicians who are taking fan engagement to the next level. But our primary focus is on bringing you the best stuff out there from millions of independent artists who will benefit from the lowest fees in the industry, pocketing 88% of revenue from their sales so they can build real businesses and invest in making more great assets for you to use. That's right. Now, with millions of assets, we have to make it super simple for you to find what you're looking for and get inspired along the way. We'll leverage automated tagging to consistently and accurately describe content, and we'll give you the ability to inspect 3D models before you download, making it easy to understand the game readiness of an asset so there are no surprises. Building on the success of Quixel Bridge, the FAB plugin will enable you to search, discover, drag, and drop content right into your scene without leaving the game editor. We want to improve your workflows by connecting FAB to all industry-leading digital content creation tools. For example, our partnership with Adobe will make it easy for you to export and publish models from Adobe Substance Painter directly to FAB. Finally, leveraging Sketchfab's digital asset management capabilities, FAB will be the place where you go to store, manage, and share assets either privately with teammates for collaboration or publicly on the web to showcase your work. With collaboration tools like this, we want to help small teams do big things. Now, it's no longer just major studios who are driving our industry forward. World building has become accessible to everyone. And we're seeing this today with tens of millions of new creators building awesome experiences in Fortnite, Roblox, Minecraft, and other open worlds. This is increasing the demand for ready-to-use content, and it's creating an exciting new opportunity for asset creators to reach massive new audiences. We believe an open and fair marketplace where artists and developers can come together to buy and sell assets is essential to the creation of the emerging metaverse. Now, we're going to keep you posted over the course of the next several months as this rolls out, and we're looking forward to partnering with you all to make this an industry-wide success.